Hi, good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed part 1 trigonometry fundamentals. Today we are going to discuss part 2 trigonometry formulas. In these formulas, we are going to learn all silver tea cups. The topic is all silver tea cups. Just to remember easily the name we had given like this, all silver tea cups. Here you need to understand there are 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. There are 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, here all. In second quadrant, it is silver. In third quadrant, it is tea. In fourth quadrant, it is cups. All silver tea cups. In first quadrant, all are positive. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. All are positive. In first quadrant, the meaning of all is all are positive. The meaning of silver, what is the first letter? S. So, sine and cosec. These two are positive. Remaining 4 negative. What are the remaining 4? Tan, cot, secant and cos. These 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. T. What is the first letter? T. So, tan, cot, positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Sine, cos, sec and cosec. These 4 negative. Cups. Cups. Please tell me. Cos, secant, positive. Remaining 4 negative. What are the remaining 4? Sine, cosec, tan, cot. These 4 negative. So we need to understand all means all are positive, all trigonometric ratios. Silver means first letter S. So sine, cosec, these 2 positive, remaining 4 negative. T means tan, cot, positive, remaining 4 negative. Cups means cos, secant, positive, remaining 4 negative. Here, you please observe, we'll start from here. 0 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is how much? 180 degrees. This is how much? 270 degrees. This is also 360 degrees because every 90. 0 plus 90, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270. 270 plus 90, 360 here. Suppose you are taking any angle in the first quadrant, that should be 90 minus theta. Where theta should be acute angle triangle. 0 less than theta less than 90. Acute angle means the angle which is less than 90, that is acute angle triangle. The angle above 90 and less than 180, that is obtuse angle triangle. The angle more than 180, it is what angle it is? Tell me. What angle it is? You please tell me in the next class. So theta is acute angle triangle. Theta is obtuse angle triangle. If the angle is more than 180, what is the triangle? That is, what is the name of the angle? You should tell. Here, theta I told acute angle triangle. So theta less than 90. Suppose if I take 45 degrees, 90 minus 45, 45. 45 comes in first quadrant. Suppose if it is above 90, this becomes 90 plus theta. This is more than 180, it is 180 plus theta. And this is 180 minus theta because 90, 90, 180, less than 180. 270 minus theta because 90, 90, 90, 270, less than 270 you are taking. So 270 minus theta. Here 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. This is 360 plus theta. Here, I'm sorry, 360 plus theta. So all silver tea cups. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Tan to cot, reverse, sec to cosec, cosecant to secant, like that we are getting. Suppose if it is 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, we are getting same to same. How? Sin to sin, cos to cos, tan to tan, like this. Same angle to same angle we are getting. So we need to understand here in all silver teacups table, why we are taking this table. Main motto is we are going to find the values of 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 180 minus theta. For example, sin 90 minus theta values we are finding. So 90 minus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. How is sin? Positive. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Why? Because sin to cos. When 90 minus theta, what we are getting? Sin to cos. Like this. Please copy this. Take 1 minute time. Any doubt you please ask me. I'll share PDF also for this. Just if you want you can copy. I'll share the PPTs for you. Okay, don't worry. Next here. Here, suppose you are finding 90 minus theta values. Why we are using this table? To find values 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Suppose I am taking sin 90 minus theta. Very important. What I told you, 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 99 to 27. Odd numbers. Then you will get here cos theta. 90 minus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant, how is sin? Positive. So you need to consider left hand side. Sin is positive. Cos 90 minus theta. For example, I am taking sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tell me. Cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta, please tell me, secant theta. So all are plus here. Why? Because 90 minus theta first quadrant. Next I am taking here 90 plus theta I am taking to understand. Sin 90 plus theta, for example, I am taking. What I told, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, reverse, sin to cos. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, how sin? Positive. Cos 90 plus theta, for example, minus sin theta. Tan 90 plus theta, minus cot theta. Cot 90 plus theta, minus tan theta. Try to understand. Secant 90 plus theta minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 plus theta plus secant theta. Why? Because I told you sin, cosec. These two are positive. Remaining 4 negative. Maybe you understood very clearly. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, depending on the quadrant, depending on the angle, we need to write like this. One more angle I will tell you, that is 180 minus theta. Once 180 minus theta over, remaining you can write yourself. Okay, Even though I'll share that PPT for you. Now I am going to teach you 180 minus theta. How it will be, we'll see. minus theta. Please try to understand. 180 minus theta. Suppose I am taking sine 180 minus theta. What I told, for 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, same to same, sine to sine. 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Similarly, cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta. Please tell me minus cos theta. Why? Because, why? Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta because cos is negative in second quadrant. Tan 180 minus theta. What? Minus tan theta. Same to same. Cot 180 minus theta. Minus cot theta. Secant 180 minus theta. Sec theta. For secant 180 minus theta. For secant theta. But this is minus. Sine, cosec positive. Remaining 4 negative. You please try to understand. Suppose if we take 180 plus theta, the same situation. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, what and all positive? Tan, cot positive. Remaining 4 negative. Please follow this. Have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? If you are not understanding, I'll repeat for you again. No problem at all. Here. After all silver teacups table, we are going to learn how to find the values of minus theta. Very important. How we are going to learn the values of minus theta. You please see this here. This is theta. This is clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. If I take one more quadrant here, this is clockwise direction, this become minus theta. Anti-clockwise direction theta, clockwise direction minus theta. Try to understand. Let us assume this is x, this is y, or let me take this is x, this is y, this is r. Adjacent side x, opposite side y, hypotenuse is, because this is 90 degrees, always 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So when what this become? Minus y, this become r. Length is same triangle. Hypotenuse length will be the same. What is sine theta? Please try to understand. What is sine theta? From the diagram you tell me. In the triangle OAB, in triangle OAB I am asking. In triangle OAB, what is sine theta? Y by r. Why? Because opposite side by hypotenuse. Correct or not? What is in triangle OBD? In this triangle, what is sine minus theta? I am taking sine for this, opposite side by hypotenuse. Minus y by r. Can you tell me what is y by r? What is y by r? Sine theta. So, sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. One formula is created here. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. One formula is created here. Once again I will repeat. X-axis, y-axis, first quadrant, positive, right? Plus plus. First quadrant is plus plus. What is fourth quadrant? Plus minus. So this is y, this is x, this is r, hypotenuse is r. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Correct or not? Now in this triangle, when this theta is anti-clockwise direction, we are measuring OA, making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. The same way down means clockwise direction I am taking minus theta. I am taking sin theta formula we are applying in triangle OAB, sin theta y by r. What is sin minus theta in triangle OBD? Sin minus theta minus y by r. But y by r is sin theta. In the place of y by r I am writing sin theta. One formula is created. Very important formula. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Similarly I am taking cos minus theta I am taking. We are taking cos minus theta. Please see here. Cos minus theta is what? X by r. What is cos minus theta? X by r. Cos theta also x by r, right? So cos minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. One formula is created. Same way, cos theta x by r. Cos minus theta x by r. Same. So equal. This is another formula is created. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Tan minus theta. Can you tell me? Minus tan theta. Cot minus theta. Yes? Minus cot theta. Sec minus theta. Plus secant theta. Finally, cosec minus theta. Minus cosecant theta. Please copy this. Any doubt you can ask me in the next class, next video. If you have any doubts you can share. I can explain once again. No problem at all. So finally you need to remember sin of minus theta minus sin theta, cos of minus theta plus cos theta. See, one more thing you need to understand. Minus theta is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, according to all silver teacups table, in fourth quadrant, what and all positive? Cos, secant positive. So, cos, sec positive. Remaining 4 negative. That way also you can remember. No issue. But I am giving the proof for this so that you can understand permanently and no confusion at all. Thank you. Next, very important thing here. These are trigonometric ratios basics completed. Trigonometric ratios fundamentals we have finished today. This is in part 2. Here I am adding one more concept that is called compound angle formulas. This is for your advanced level learning. Still I am giving, just you please learn this compound angles. The meaning itself, compound means either sum or difference of two or more angles. Compound means either sum or difference of two or more angles. For example, A comma B are two angles, then A plus B or A minus B or A plus B plus C or A minus B plus C, so on. These are all compound angles. Sum or difference of two or more angles are compound angles. So here we are going to learn the formulas based on these. Here I am not giving the proofs for you because present you don't require the proofs. Just I want to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. The second one, sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third one, cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. In future classes we have to learn the proof for this. Any one proof you need to learn so that you can understand more clearly what happening. Tan of A plus B, say this, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. I will share PPTs for this, but still you please, if you have time, you can copy this. Sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In sin, see, when plus plus, minus minus, but whereas cos A plus B, cos A cos B, here plus when it is minus. When it is minus, it is plus. You have to remember like that. We remember like that. Tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Clear, I think? Compound angle formulas, this we are giving for your future reference, but very important formulas. Tan of A minus B, what is tan of A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Please remember, tan of A minus B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Difference you please observe, here plus, denominator minus. This is into tan A into tan B. Here also into tan A into tan B. When minus, numerator minus, denominator plus. More 4 formulas like this. Don't worry, I will give this every chapter. I will give PPTs. Okay, if you are unable to copy this also, I can share. Cot of A plus B, please tell me, cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Cot of A minus B, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Please remember. Regarding cot, we are using this 9th formula. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. 10th one, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square B.